All right, we got the Saturn one on the C11-3 and 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Oh, that was shorter than 3 seconds. It comes down.
What's that stuff flying?
That's the wadding. Look how beautiful it is. Coming down nice and gently.
No, it's not. Crunch. Oh, it flipped.
Oh, it landed close. Look at that.